In today's video, we'll show you how to add step quantity functionality to the WooCommerce cart blocks page. Simply copy the snippet provided below and add it to your child themes functions.php file, or use a plugin like Code Snippets to implement it. In this code, we define a specific product ID and set a step quantity for that product. This behavior will be applied both on the product page and on the WooCommerce cart blocks page. Now, let's test it on the front end. Visit a product page from the food category. Notice that the quantity is automatically set to 10 on the product page, and any adjustments allow only quantities of 10, 20, 30, etc. Now let's navigate to the cart page. Ensure that you have enabled the new cart blocks page instead of the classic one. Here, you'll see that the quantity is initially set to 10. When increasing the quantity, it adjusts in predefined steps, 20, 30, 40, and so on, while the total price updates accordingly. Similarly, decreasing the quantity follows the same step-based pattern. This ensures precise control over product quantities directly within the WooCommerce cart block system,